Good morning, my dudes. Guess what? I'm still exhausted. My eyes look terrible. I look terrible because it's 7 a.m. in the morning. We've had all of about 3 hours sleep because we're going to New York today. But we have free breakfast or paid for breakfast via being at the hotel downstairs. So I'm gonna go down there for that. No idea what's gonna happen today. The plan though is to fly out to San Francisco, which is pretty cool, which is like an hour-and-a-half flight. That's from like 9 something, so pretty early, so we get there pretty soon. And then we have a layover, and then a big flight, like 6-7 hours, something like that, to New York. That gets us there at like 8 o'clock, because time zone differences of like 3 hours. So there's the plan. What happens today, we'll find out, but hopefully it is all success and no annoyances like yesterday. But welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, let's see what happens today. Breakfast cooked in about 3 minutes. Looks good. Got a smash. Have no time. That was lovely. I'm still very tired. Fastest upload you've ever seen. 6 minutes to upload. 7 minutes, I guess. Uploadable on 150 megabytes per second. 124 actually. Pretty darn quick for Australia standards. Oh wait, we're in America.
Why is download so bad compared to upload?
I have no idea. Well, we made it to the airport, got myself a Sprite, and the first trip is to San Fran for about an hour and a half on a small plane, then a big plane to New York. So, let's see how that goes. To San Fran, have it running to the gate so we can make it to New York. Yay!
Please report any suspicious activity.
We made it. We're in JFK. It's in New York. It's 1 degree, which is cold. And if you're American, it's like 34.
Yeah, it's nice and warm.
It's nice and warm. Nothing more than we expected. And now we're gonna get our bags, get to the hotel, because we're still dying of exhaustion. Haven't slept all day, barely eaten anything all day, and work out what the hell we're doing. But yeah, it's cold, but we made it to the hotel.
Just got in. Nice shower. Random cupboard. Oh god.
Okay, Lilith has made it in life. We're in New York. What's it called? Hotel room. And this is the view. There is literally Salt Bay's restaurant down there, Wolfgang or whatever it's called. He's literally got a hand that sprinkles his salt because it's awesome. There's a whole bunch of other random stuff. It's literally Times Square just there. And that's the New York ball thing that drops, like just there. And there's H&M, if anyone cares about that. And what else we got over here, Lilith? Big clock. And Target is the main attraction, just here. These rooms are pretty damn dope. It has given me new energy to even be awake right now. They have some pretty damn nice views because it's literally next to Times Square. So we're staying here for 5 days in New York, so this is gonna be dope. But thanks to annoying time zones, we are here at 10 o'clock at night already. So we might go out for a walk to our Be quiet, you obnoxious! Eee. Anyway, we might go out for a walk to our good old Times Square, give it a look. We drove past it in the taxi, but we didn't get a proper look. And yeah, might have some food, I don't know, I'm kind of hungry, but it is also 10 o'clock at night. Also our keys are working, which is just excellent. All of these are M&Ms. All of them. jar for M&M's.
I thought it was a honey pot.
True, actually. M&M lip balm, yes or no? Definitely yes. How's your sack of every flavour going?
Well, I don't know what anything is though, so...
There's a
Isn't that
jalapeno one in there somewhere. You're insane.
Fun.
Might have some food, I don't know, I'm kind of hungry, but it is also 10 o'clock at night. Nom 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 nom. Really, is it warm? Feels nice and fresh.
Exercise to stay warm, yes or no?
Standing next to drains to stay warm, yes or no? What was that? Drinking sewage to stay warm?
Drinking sewage to stay warm, yes or no?
You're nasty. Okay, this will only last like 5 seconds because I can't feel my hand, but that's Times Square, folks. It's not going to focus because there's so many screens, but damn. Okay, and another short, typical tourist pic. You're already in it.
No.
Times Square is ridiculous. Love to know what the electricity bill is for all this crap. But damn, is it impressive. Also, that's the stairs that are in Spider-Man, Amazing Spider-Man 2. What's up? Dude, Times Square Wi-Fi, get around it, fam. It's cold, I gotta put my phone away, I can't feel my fingers anymore. Okay, it's 2 AM, I have no idea what the last clip was, and I have no idea what I edited because I'm about halfway through right now, but I've got to record the outro. So Lily's going to bed, so I hope you guys did enjoy. Feel free to leave subscribes and the likes down below. Lily's waving goodbye from comfy bed. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow for another awesome day in New York where we'll actually have a full day of actually enjoying it rather than being in a bloody airport, which I'm really sick of at the moment. Super exhausted, but I'll see you guys tomorrow for an awesome day in New York. It is also Lily's 21st. It's technically already a thing because, you know, in Australia it was Wednesday a long time ago. But tomorrow will be Lily's 21st actual birthday, so that'll be the vlog for tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great day. See you tomorrow. Peace.